Premium economy, the two words might seem a weird combination in airline terms. Since it's a rare airline where economy seats feel premium these days, but this seat between coach and business class on international flights were heating up even before COVID-19. And as we all start to travel again in 2021, they are said to be a must fly for many passengers. Why? It's a combination of factors. First, the economic crisis means that business class travels will be trading down to premium economy, whether that people flying for work whose travel policies are being thickened or upmarket leisure travels who are feeling the pinch on their wallets but don't fancy feeling it at their knees or elbows. Second, frequent flyers will have miles to burn after a year a reduced traveling, and with those trained travel policies that land business travels in economy, we will likely see some of them upgrading themselves to the slightly better seats with the points that alongside pent up leisure travels looking for a bit of a splurge even in hard times. Then comes the fact that after more than a year of COVID-19, we are just not psychologically used to be checked by Joel with other people anymore. It's going to feel very strange to think about doing that on a plan. So the star space premium economy will be welcome. What is it? But what is premium economy? Fundamentally, it's a bigger seat, says Ben Orson, a designer responsible for many for the most successful seats of the past decade and now managing director of Orson Associates. The most important part of what a premium economy seat offers the passengers is a significant upgrade in terms of comfort when compared to economy. Premium economy seats typically provide around 5 to 10 inches of additional leg room, a more generous wrestling with a leg rest, and an enhanced entertainment experience with a much larger screen. Seats are also around to the 3 inches wider, and there are unusually 1 to 2 seats fewer in each row, 8 in a Boeing 777 or Airbus A380 for example, compared with 10 seats in most economy classes. This approach has paid off for airlines, Orson says, with both British Airways and Virgin Atlantic saying that per square foot premium economy is the most profitable part of the plane. Premium economy is found metaphorically and on the actual aircraft between the increasingly spacious and luxurious business classes and the increasingly less spacious and less luxurious economy classes. Airbus calls this wedding gap the comfort canyon. Matt Round, chief creative officer at design studio Tangerine, explains that for airlines he helps to fill this gap, and that along with that larger seat comes some additional perks. Airlines tend to offer premium economy passengers access to more priority service such as free seat reservations, priority boarding, and increased luggage allowance. The services that are offered vary according to the airline. Who flies it? Passengers usually first approach premium economy from one of two directions, either upgrading from economy or downgrading from business. Pre-COVID-19 premium economy performed for leisure passengers who wanted a slight treat, or for coast conscious large and small businesses. Brown explains, on some routes there was a tendency for passengers traveling on business to fly premium economy during the day and return on a fully flat bed in business class on the night flight. But where business class seats have become more spacious and economy class seats have shrunk both in legroom and elbow room, how have premium economy seats hence signed their introduction nearly 30 years ago about Virgin Atlantic and your hair? They haven't, not really, says Peter Tennant, director of design house Factory Design. When he designed the first British Airways World Traveller Pulse seat in 2000, the basics for the seat customization was an hanging business class platform. This conventional head larger recliner seats were beginning to be surpassed by enhanced business class offers, so there was a fairly obvious option to downgrade them for business to a reduced offer to sit between business and economy. Despite many advances in in-flight entertainment and connectivity features such as one on-demand in-flight touchscreen entertainment powered sockets, Wi-Fi internet and more, the basic seat has not changed much. Tennant says there have been many new premium economy seats, some bespoke, others derivatives of exciting platforms, but all still following the sample principle.